Alright, today we're going to take a look at another Zippo I'm putting into my collection. Okay, so this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box. And it says, let's see what the thing says on it. It says Hot Air Balloon. It's got that idiotic California P65 warning. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. Nothing special about the insert, but there is the hot air balloon. You can see it looks like a flame, and the hot air is coming from the Zippo that is lit underneath of it. That looks like street chrome. That's a sticker on there, and this was made in, looks like J of 19. Pretty good stampings on this one. I think J is October. It's got a steel insert. Sounds pretty good, lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on this hot air balloon. With the overhead fan going. That one bounced nicely. Let's do it again. That one landed almost upside down and it still stayed lit. That is a good Zippo. And it is the hot air balloon and definitely deserves just a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.